CIET NCERT presents audiobook Bansuri, Textbook of Arts for Grade 4.
Page 108, Chapter 11, Songs and Stories. Hindustani classical, Baul Gaan, Bollywood songs, hip hop. You may have heard some of these styles of music. Different kinds of music sound different. They have unique characteristics of style, patterns, origin, instruments, and purpose. On this page, a QR code is given on the bottom of the left-hand side of the page, through scanning to which you can get access to additional resources of this chapter. Also, at the bottom of this page, we are given some musical instruments like tabla, guitar, and a speaker. Continuing with the text now. A music genre is a category that groups music based on shared characteristics, sounds, or patterns. Can you name some genres of music that you have heard? What is unique about them? We can generally categorize music into 4 major categories. First, folk music or Lok Sangeet. Second, classical music, that is Hindustani and Carnatic. Third, other traditional forms like devotional music, Rabindra Sangeet, semi-classical, etc. Fourth, popular or creative music like film songs, pop songs, etc. Page 109, Activity 11.1, Identify the genre. Listen to the following music samples online and identify which genre they belong to. Number 1. Raga Bhupali by Hari Prasad Chaurasia. Second, Ye Dosti Hum Nahi Todenge. Third, Rabindra Sangeet by Kanika Bandopadhyay. Fourth, Kesariya Balam by Mangniyar musicians. Also, at the bottom of the page, we have given some pictures of these artists and songs. Now, why music? Have you ever thought about the role of music in our lives? Music tells stories, makes us feel emotions, and celebrates traditions. In many cultures and languages, there are special songs for festivals and special events and times of the year. Sometimes, the same event may be celebrated in different ways by different groups of people. Do you know? The Harvest Festival is celebrated all over India, but has many different names. What is it called in your region?
Page number 110. Activity 11.2. Harvest Songs. Here is a song from Punjab about Baisakhi, the harvest festival. On top left of the page is given an image. There is a tractor in a field with 3 people standing in front of the tractor in dancing costume of Punjab. They are holding musical instruments and dancing on the festival of Vaishakhi. Name some harvest festivals from around the country. Write your answers in the space given below. Punjabi Baisakhi song, traditional folk song. आई वैसाखी चलो पाइए भंगड़ा, मुक गई खेतां दी राखी रल के पाइए भंगड़ा. बापू बेची कनक ते खीसा नोटा दे नल भरया, मां ने सीता सूट सोना गोटा दे नल जड़या. आओ सहेलियों आओ हाणियों सारे पाइए भंगड़ा आई वैसाखी. सारे मारो तालियां ते फिर मैं बोली पावां, बोली पाके गोरी नू मैं गिद्दे विच नचावां. नाचे गोरी मटक मटक के असी भी पाइए भंगड़ा, आई वैसाखी हांजी पाइए भंगड़ा, चलो पाई भंगड़ा. Find a song from another part of the country that celebrates the harvest season. Listen to it, write down the words, and learn to sing it. Do the songs sound similar or different? If so, how? Page number 111. Musical styles. Let us learn 2 types of songs, a lullaby and a patriotic song. Activity 11.3. Lullaby Inamma Todi. Language Tamil. It is a traditional folk song. The lyrics are Innamma Todi Bommayya Kanum Na Inna Seya Pode. Innamma Todi Bommayya Kanum నా ఎన్న సేయ పోడే తలవారి పిన్ని పుక్కల వెట్టు పొడు చెట్ట పొట్టు విట్టు ఈ పాసి మాసం కావేరీ స్నానం బొమ్మయ్య వాంగి వందే. On bottom left of the page is given the link for this song, wherein you can listen to this lullaby.
Page 112, Activity 11.4, Patriotic Song. Songs are a wonderful way to express our love for our country and to bring people together. There are many wonderful patriotic songs that you can sing in a group. And beautiful picture is given on the left-hand side of the page. This picture depicts the national pride and unity of our India. The central figure holds the Indian flag, while the others are in poses of respect or salute. Now, here are some popular patriotic songs. Find the songs online and learn to sing them in a group. So, first patriotic song we have Nanha Munha Rahi Hoon. The composer for this song is Naushad and lyricist is Shakil Badayuni. Now, Nanna Munna Rahi Hoon, देश का सिपाही हूँ, नन्हा मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद. Now the next patriotic song we have आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए. The composer for this song is Hemant Kumar ji and lyricist is Kavi Pradeep ji. Now, so let's get started. आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की. वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम. Now, find a patriotic song in your language, learn it and share it with your class. Page 113, Activity 11.5, Songs for Unity. Music is a wonderful unifying force and has played an important role in nation building. During India's freedom struggle, songs served as an important tool to bring people together to fight for a common cause. On this page, left hand side at the bottom, a picture is given, a picture of Shri Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Vande Mataram was written by Shri Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, who glorified Bharat Mata, our Mother India, in this poem. Even though Vande Mataram is commonly sung as Rag Des, it has many other versions and is one of the most widely recorded songs in history. One of the best known songs is Vande Mataram, which ignited a spirit of patriotism among freedom fighters and the people of the country. Even today, it is a song that unites and uplifts us. While Jan Gan Man is the national anthem, Vande Mataram is known as the national song. Now, let's learn to sing this song in a group. Vande Mataram, written by Shri Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Vande Mataram.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate.
Mataram Shubhra Jyotsna Pulkitya Mini Phul Kusumit Drumad सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्. Page 114. Assessment Chapter 11. Songs and Stories. Here a table is given with the 4 rows and 4 columns. Competences, learning outcomes, teacher and self. So competences, C 3.2. Learning outcomes understands the concept of music genres. Competences, C 4.2. Learning outcomes is able to articulate differences between different types of songs. Learning outcomes understands the role of music in history and tradition. Competences, C 4.2. Learning outcomes is eager to explore various kinds of folk music. Teacher and self column is space given. Below this table, here it is written, teacher's feedback on students' strengths. A blank space is given. Teacher's feedback on areas of improvement. Again a blank space. Then any other observation you can fill in the blank space.
Bansuri, you were just listening to this audiobook, Textbook of Arts for Grade 4. Narration, Anshul Agrawal. Sound recordists, Virendra Rawat. Production assistant, Surendra Kumar. Directed and produced by Vimalesh Chaudhary. This audiobook is brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.